I'm here for my appointment.
Oh, yeah, Mr. Jutsus, right?
Yeah, that's me.
All right, go ahead and have a seat right here. All right, Mr. Jutsus, is there anything bothering you right now?
Yeah, but I don't really want to talk about it.
What, you got a cavity or something? Man, it's all good. Just go ahead and open up for me.
To be honest, I've been tired of living, and I just feel like I'm not good enough. My life feels like an endless cycle of disaster.
Sir, I don't think I need to...
The longer we live, it seems like the only things that truly exist in this world are merely pain and suffering and futility.
Sir, you spitting right now, but that's not what I needed you to...
As long as there's a concept of victors, the vanquished will cease to exist. And the selfish intent of wanting to preserve peace only causes conflict, and hatred is born in order to protect love. One time, I fought my best friend over the last pizza roll, and when I came home, it was gone.
But what I meant to say was, I needed you to open your mouth so I can see your teeth.
Now for 72 hours, you will feel that pain.
Sup, Doc? Looking for this?
What? Impossible! How did he do that? Why am I back here?
Sup, Doc?
What?
Looking for this?
What? How is this possible? Oh, come on, man. What kind of sick dream is this?